am Dr. Syed Sadiruddin Chishti and I am teaching physics to BSc second year students. And my today's topic is statistical basics and classical statistics. In this we are studying about the microstate and the macrostate. Microstate and macrostate. Macro means small, macro means somewhat larger. So here first we will discuss about the macrostate. We will consider that we are having the four particles A, B, C and D. These particles are distinguishable particles. They can be distinguished from each other. And we can arrange these four particles into two different compartments. Compartment 1 and compartment 2. So possibility is there in compartment 1 zero particles. Therefore in compartment 2 there will be all four particles. If suppose there is one particle in the first compartment, then automatically 3 will be in the second compartment. Then 2 in the first, 2 in the second, 3 in the first, 1 in the second and 4 in the first, 0 in the second compartment. So we can write that combination as 0 4, 1 3, 2 2 and 3 1 and 4 0. These are the possible combinations. For n number of the particles, suppose I am having n number of the particles, then the possibility is 0 n, 1 comma n minus 1, 2 comma n minus 2, so on and n minus 0. So we can say that this distribution is the macro distribution of the particles. Now if I do the micro distribution, then I will consider that there are two compartments and the first state is 0 and 4. So what is the possibility if I am having four particles A, B, C and D? Suppose 0 in the first compartment. So all A, B, C, D will be there in the second compartment. Similarly, if 1 and 3 state is there, it means that one particle is in the first state and one, it may be A, it may be B, it may be C or it may be D. Because I am having four particles. Which particle is there in the first compartment I don't know. So suppose it may be A. If it is A, then in the second compartment B, C, D, three particles. If it is B, then A, C, D in the second compartment. If it is C, then A, B, D. If it is D, then A, B, C particles will be there in the second compartment. So number of microstates will be 4 here. Number of microstates here will be 1. Now if suppose I am having 2 and 2 combination, then 2 and 2 means 2 particles in the first compartment, 2 in the second. So possibility is there, if AB is here, then CD will be there. If BC is there, then AD will be there. If CD is here, then AB will be there. If AD is here, then BC will be there. If AC is here, then BD will be there. If BD is in the first compartment, AC will be in the second compartment. Possible microstates are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 microstates. Now similarly, if I am having 3-1 combination, then B, C, D, these three particles, suppose are in the first compartment, A will be in the second. ACD is here, B will be there. ABD is here, C will be there. ABC is here, D will be there. Now the possible microstates are 4. Similarly, if there are 4 particles, 4-0 combination, then in first compartment all 4 ABCD, in the second 0, possible microstate is only 1. So we can write the number of ways in which the particles can be distributed as factorial n upon n1 factorial, n2 factorial, n3, n4 and so on. Or in short we can say that number of ways, W means number of ways in which the particles can be distributed as n1 n factorial upon product of n factorial. Here n means n1 plus n2 plus n3 and so on, means combination of all the number of distinguishable particles. Okay, thank you.